On the tranquil shores of Lake Ontario, where earth and water gently intertwine, Bluffer's Beach stands as a sanctuary for nature lovers, where soft sands whisper beneath your steps, and the clear waters mirror the sky and drifting clouds. Just a short drive from downtown Toronto, Bluffer's Beach rests quietly along the eastern edge of Lake Ontario, close enough to the city to reach easily, yet far enough to feel like a true escape. As my drone rises above the shoreline, the true scale of Bluffer's Beach slowly reveals itself. The tall cliffs, the winding trails, and the calm stretch of Lake Ontario. Here, the noise of the city fades away, replaced by the soft rhythm of wind and water. A place where time feels slower, and every view invites you to breathe a little deeper. Feeling as if this vast lake was opening its arms to me, I drift farther toward the open water, and Bluffer's Beach slowly slips into a quiet silhouette behind me. The cliffs soften into shadow, the waves slow their rhythm, and the entire shoreline settles into a calm whisper. In this final moment, Lake Ontario stretches endlessly, reminding me that even the most familiar places reveal new stories when seen from a different perspective. A peaceful end to a beautiful journey.